Disregard the leaks. Recently we received a new hands-on leak of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and a retailer has already begun selling the device. It is expected that the Galaxy S24 series will be on sale in the next days or weeks. Samsung seems to be getting ready for its debut and may have even dispatched the phones to select stores, but the company has not yet made an official announcement about this device. One of these stores seems to have started selling the phone before its official release date, maybe due to ignorance about the date of sale. A notable leaker named Roland Quant discovered that the Mexican retailer Dodo is already ready to offer the Galaxy S24. The 128 gigs model costs 16,499 pesos, while the 256 gigs model costs 17,999 pesos. These prices are identical to those of previous models with equivalent storage capacity. It's unclear whether the shop is truly selling the smartphones or if the prices stated by the retailer for the Galaxy S24 were released too soon. It's also possible that the prices are only placeholders. 10 units of the 128 gigs Galaxy S24 and 4 units of the 256 gigs variant, according to the retailer, are the only ones now available. This means that they could be ready to ship the phones even before the official launch, but selling the phones before the official launch might damage their business relationship with Samsung, so it's doubtful that the retailer would want to take the chance. Samsung is angry with leakers who have been leaking marketing photographs of their goods before the official release. It appears they have even filed legal letters to deter certain well-known leakers from doing so. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to use the Exynos 2400 chip in Europe, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will be available in all other regions. The company plans to formally unveil the Galaxy S24 series on January 17. Important information on One UI 6.1 Animation's MUI was recently leaked by another well-known source. The animation will seem smoother and more delicate, since Ice Universe claims that the frame rate has been boosted once again in comparison to UI 6.0. Samsung may have removed the backdrop blur effect because of concerns that it would increase battery consumption. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.